Sourcing products from Alibaba is a popular option for businesses looking to procure inventory for platforms like Amazon FBA, e-commerce stores, or retail. Here's how to source products from Alibaba. Research product ideas. Start by researching product categories and trending items on Alibaba. Use tools like Google Trends, Jungle Scout, or competitor analysis to identify in-demand products. Use filters such as product type, MOQ, price range, and supplier location to narrow down options. Find reliable suppliers. Search for suppliers by entering relevant keywords or product categories on Alibaba's website. Look for verified suppliers and check supplier ratings, reviews, and feedback from previous buyers. Evaluate product quality. Request product samples to ensure quality meets your standards before placing a bulk order. Inspect product specifications, certifications, and compliance with Amazon or other marketplace standards. Negotiate terms. Contact suppliers and negotiate pricing, lead times, payment terms, and shipping arrangements. Ensure getting the best deal while factoring in shipping costs, import fees, and potential Amazon FBA fees. Place an order. Once satisfied with the sample and terms, place a bulk order. Confirm details like packaging, labeling, and shipping methods. Verify payment methods for secure transactions. Shipping and quality control. Work with suppliers to ensure products are delivered directly to Amazon FBA warehouses or your fulfillment center. Ensure products meet Amazon's product standards for labeling, packaging, and safety compliance. Monitor performance. Track product performance on Amazon and maintain strong supplier relationships for future orders.